Hi traders. So, as you see, today I am in the wide jungle, and as you see, I forgot to bring my hairbrush with me, but it's okay because I'm handsome anyway. So, in today's video I will talk about Forex news trading in bots. So, as you know, trading bots are really dangerous when it comes to news trading, because when a really big news event occurs, trading bots just don't know what's going on, so they go insane and they start to make losing trades over and over again. And as the wild jungle, it can be just deadly, so you have to avoid these scenarios. In this video I will tell you how. So first of all, when you start to use an EA, an expert advisor, make sure that you know what the strategy is and what the money management system is in the EA, because if you don't know it, you will lose, and as I said, it is deadly. So first of all, try to use an expert advisor that can avoid news. So, the programmer that developed the EA just implemented a piece of code in it that can detect news events, and it can avoid it, or it can lower risk on it. So, if you are a more risk-avoiding person, just use an EA that doesn't trade when news events happen. But if you are a wild man, as I am, you can trade with EAs that don't stop when they should. No, it's not true. They don't stop at news events because they are trained to trade those news events, and they don't get frustrated when news events occur. So basically, these types of EAs are either swing or trend trader EAs, and these types of trading strategies they can just manage these situations because they are for the long term. So the second trick is to not trade lower time frames, like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, or even the 30 minute, because they are just really volatile time frames, and they can kill your entire account real quick, and that is not so healthy for your health and for your hair. And your hair is really important, even without a hairbrush, and even if you are in the jungle, as a strategy that you are using. So the third thing is, when you buy an EA, just try to use one, and it is a pro tip from a professional programmer. So try to use one that can avoid trading after 3 losing trades in a certain time period, because if you use such an EA, you can avoid blowing your account and losing all your money, because this way, if a big news event happens, the EA will only lose maybe 3 trades, and after that it will stop for a certain time period, and it will just start to trade after that time period. And it is really crucial if you don't want to lose your entire account. So this was the 3 tips for today's video. I hope it was useful and you enjoyed it. If you want, you can subscribe. It is really generous from me that I allow it to you, so whatever. But yeah, this was today's video. I go back to the jungle. Ciao.